Hello, welcome back. I'm bored of my hair and I want to do something new and something I've never done before, which is cutting my hair into a style. And the style of choice is a mullet, but it's not like a mullet, it's like a short mullet, but it's like modern. Ugh. Anyways, this is the scissors that I have. And I got a mirror right here and the water bottle and stuff, even though I usually never use this. But yeah, let's take a look at what I have right now. Well, just the idea I have so far. Put my hair in half or whatever. My idea is to cut. Cause you see, even when I cut this parts off, even if I cut that part off, I still have hair that always sticks out like this. And I'm thinking of cutting, these short too, but not too short. But like, I don't really care if I ruin my hair because like my hair can grow. It can grow. Like I'm not trying to ruin my hair, but when it comes to cutting, comes back. And I have curly hair, so it's like, can you ever really ruin curly hair? Yes, but usually no. So I need to part my hair. Where's the comb? Where did you put it? Where is it? Wait, how do mullets work? So I'm gonna put this into two pieces. So when I cut it, it's not horrible. Part to parts. At an angle. I kind of look like I've gone insane. So I'm gonna try to cut my hair at that length, cut the other piece at that length too. Oh, I never had hair so short on this. Hair so short and so since I was a child. I might need to cut it shorter, actually. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So the thing is, my mom and my sister did not want me to cut my hair. They was like, please just dye it. I'm like, no. Oops. Am I looking cute? Be honest. The bucket is almost full. Look. Is that bad? Like, what is this? This is a little ponytail. Once I'm finally done with my hair, I'm gonna show you the last stuff. See you later. Let you know, it's been a couple days, like a few days since I cut my hair. You know, kind of getting the feel and, you know, maybe cutting little pieces or whatever that I felt need to be cut. And, you know, just kind of figuring out how to work with it. Wait, let me give you a tour. Let me give you a tour of what I did. So I kept the bangs the same, you know, didn't really mess with it much. And I cut the sides right here, like made it more to the scalp. And I cut a little bit more right here and let you know, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just doing whatever I feel like, but I'm not trying to be absolutely crazy. Like, I don't really care if I look stupid to other people, but if I think I look stupid, that's the end of it. Like, one of the biggest things that I'm like, damn, I wish I knew better. I cut, like, it looked kind of fine here, but really when my curls like are curly, like when they shrink, it can kind of shrink all the way to my head and I just look like, I don't know. At the end of the day, I like how my hair came out. Like, I'm happy that I cut my hair. The reaction of my family wasn't bad. I would say on the first day, my siblings, they all laughed at me. They're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you did that. And kind of my sister, like my twin sister, she's kind of the most like upset about it out of all my siblings. But my mom, her reaction when she first saw me, she looked very upset and she just stared at me. Later on, she started crying because of how I already dress. Like, I don't dress feminine, and now I cut my hair. She's like, is there something you need to tell me? And I'm just like, you ask me that all the time. Oh, my hearing just left me. Am I an old man now? It's just a lot bigger deal than I was expecting it to be or wanted it to be. But now they're just like, LOL, you're bald now. Oh, also I have like pins in my hair. Like, I have one right here. I was probably not even doing anything right now. I have pinned like 2 pins, like 1 pin up here to stretch out the curls. And like, I had to dist my hair after styling. And like, I would put pins down in my hair to kind of push the hair down, you know? Oh, let me do a rotation. Anyways, this is the front. Sides. The back. Can you see? This side. Hey! Anyways, this is my hair. If you for some reason get an idea from me on what you may want to do, learn from my mistakes, definitely, if you have curly hair, know about your curly hair more, because I thought I knew my curly hair and there's just a lot more shrinkage than I remembered. So anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, share. I don't know, does anybody share videos? I don't share videos, but do it if you want to. But like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and also subscribe to my main channel, which is a gaming channel if you're into people playing games. Yeah. Anyways, bye.